I found your sweater in the back of my room, still carrying traces of your perfume. And for a second I was 17 again, before the ending, before the pain. The window rattles when the cold wind blows, like it's repeating something I already know. That some good things leave without a sound and never find their way back around. The city lights blur through the pouring rain. Everyone's moving but I stay the same, stuck between the person I became and the one who still calls out your name. I've tried to outrun what I couldn't keep, but your memory follows me into my sleep, like a song I know by heart but can't bear to sing. And I'm still listening for the sound of your goodbye, for the words I never heard on that final night. Maybe if I knew why you had to leave, I'd finally let these ghosts rest inside me. But the silence keeps on answering every time I cry. And I'm still listening for the sound of your goodbye. The moon hangs low above the empty street, just another witness to my defeat. I've spent years collecting broken pieces of a story that never got completed. Your photograph is fading at the edge, like every promise that we never said. But even now, after all this time, I can't bring myself to leave it behind. And I'm still listening for the sound of your goodbye, for the words I never heard on that final night. Maybe if I knew why you had to leave, I'd finally let these ghosts rest inside me. But the silence keeps on answering every time I cry. And I'm still listening for the sound of your goodbye. If love is a river, then I drowned in the past, holding on to moments that were never meant to last. And if you're somewhere under the same night sky, I hope you found the peace that I still search for every night. The dawn is breaking through the dark again. Another day pretending that I've healed. But when the world grows quiet and there's no one left around, I still hear the echo of the sound of your goodbye.